next day out here. Just got back from the store, bought some Duraglass, some masking tape, some sandpaper, and some oven cleaner. I haven't tried the oven cleaner to clean the motor yet, so I'm gonna jump on that bandwagon there. I'm also gonna use it for the transmission. Yeah, maybe some other stuff. We'll see how that works. But that's not gonna be today. Today, I wanna start prepping this for paint. So I'm not gonna sand it today, but I'm probably gonna start taping stuff off, getting the harness out of the car, taking the lights out, door handles, stuff like that. I did decide that I want the engine bay to be black and the whole inside of the car to be black. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna use to do that yet. Like I said before, I've never done any sort of like body work at all, so we'll see. I got a bunch of buddies that are into that though, so I'll pick their brains on it and see what advice they have. But yeah, I'm gonna turn some sloppy mechanics on and then we're gonna get to it. Okay, so we're inside the car, getting the computer out and the fuse block and stuff like that. I'm embarrassed to even show you guys this, but there's no secrets here, so I'm gonna show you exactly how this looks. Look at this spaghetti mess. Yeah, it's awful. I'm telling you, I just threw all this stuff in here. I mean, obviously it was wrapped up. I just unwrapped a lot of it, but still, it was still a mess. So we're gonna fix all this. Yeah, the only reason I'm filming this right now is so I can show you the improvement when it's all said and done. Then we can look back and go, geez, Keith, what the hell were you thinking, dude? Yep. And there's the harness. This sloppy mess. Got some stuff labeled. Other than that, everything is out of here. So I just gotta take the fuel lines down. I do want to get all new brake lines. I just want to run new ones because, I mean, I really don't like that, how that's routed and looped. So we'll get new ones on there and then probably spray this down with degreaser, clean it up a little bit. And this is really sharp because I cut it. I gotta grind that down, smooth that out, just little stuff like that. But I'm gonna go inside right now for lunch and we'll probably come back out later tonight. I haven't decided if I want to start taping stuff off yet. We'll see. We'll see if Eric's coming over. Maybe he can do that and I can get everything else out of the interior of the car. Because we are going to make a different gauge panel for it. I would like everything in here, as I talked about before. But we'll see. We'll just start picking away at it, and who knows, my mind could change 50,000 times before it's all said and done. So, but right now, that's the plan. All right, guys, later in the day, we're back out here. Skylar's here. Skylar, what do you think of the new stuff? Last time he was here, this wasn't even a thought. It was not even a thought.
No, it wasn't. But I'm happy you're doing this because we talked about this a while ago.
Yeah.
About trying to get this done and painted and looking nice, and I'm really happy that you're fucking doing this.
Look at that. Skylar's happy. That makes me happy. So we're gonna get some
I'm
shit
excited.
done.
I am excited.
Nice. Skylar's motivated to get his car here now.
I'm always motivated.
Yeah, I know. I know you are.
But soon.
Yeah, we went over the list last night. Actually, he hasn't even seen that. We'll talk about that.
I didn't even look. I was over there. I haven't even seen the
It's
list.
like Skylar got back from vacation. That's what it feels like right now.
Right?
Welcome.
I wish I was on vacation.
Right? We all do. Well, I mean, we kind of are right now. I am anyways. You're not. Skylar's been working, guys.
I've been
just so you
working
know.
every day.
Skylar's schedule has not changed work-wise.
Nope.
As I said earlier, we got this oven cleaner to try out. And the perfect test to try this stuff out on is going to be this right here, this Turbo 400. It's got the same grime and crap the engine does, so we're going to wheel that out right now and spray it down and see how she goes.
Is it on a cart?
Yeah,
Oh, it
yeah,
is.
it's on that Transjack. Harbor Freight Special, baby.
What the hell, yeah.
I'm going to roll that bad boy out.
You're gonna snort?
Do not snort. That's what it says.
No, but I'm
Oh,
putting
you
that on
did?
because people are dumb anyways.
Wait a minute. Look at all this paint we got. We had some projects going on, guys. My wife is going to town on these bird houses and bird feeders, which is cool. You guys saw she did that mailbox that came out great. Look at Skylar going to town already. We're gonna spray this quick. We'll fast forward. Okay, bam. First coat is all on. We're just doing one coat though, right?
Yeah.
One time. Sounds like I'm talking about paint or something.
Yeah, we'll do one coat, see how it turns out, and then if we need to, we can put more on.
Yeah. Hell yeah. All right, well, we're gonna let that hang out for a bit. What was I gonna do? I was in the middle of something before I went inside. Oh, I just ripped the harness out. So I was telling them that I'm gonna do a video on a complete standalone rework on this because I want all this cleaned up, and I've never done that before, like a full standalone. So it'll be good to film my first time. That way they can see me be on the struggle bus.
Right?
Instead of like practicing for a day, then filming. No, I'm just gonna start filming my first time. So okay, well, what I want to do to this still yet. All this stuff is good. I'm gonna actually take the fuel lines out, just so that's out of the way. I have the S10 wheels and tires, which will bolt up on this. I don't know how it's gonna fit on the ground. It should be fine. Because I kind of want to get this car on the ground. It'll just make it easier to get all the interior stuff out. Because we got a lot of work to do there. I mean, it doesn't seem like it because it's already gutted, but like gauges and stuff, we got to take those out, and I don't want to rip all the wires. I want to label them and stuff, and that's going to take a little bit, maybe. So we're going to tear into that right now. All right, guys, I knew I should have filmed like right when I did this, but we just started pouring water on it, as you can see, and look at this. How long's this been on again?
No, maybe half hour.
Maybe a half hour. Dude, what?
A little bit of scraping.
Oh my gosh, man. Why have we not done this a long time ago? Are you serious?
I'll say
All right, guys, I'm telling you right now, you need to invest in oven cleaner for sure when you're doing this stuff. That can was $5 and we used half of it on this. Oh, look in here. We haven't done any water in here, obviously, but you can see it's already like falling off. Do I have a stick?
You want the white brush?
Oh yeah. Like, dude, we'll get a spray bottle for that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. All right, we'll put a little bit more on it. All right, success. I'm sold on that. Here, me and Skylar got most of the interior out. We were messing with the wires. Trying to get the harness out and everything for the taillights, which that was easy. Get the battery out. So I'm gonna take this box out and everything, and then I'm gonna take a vacuum to this because there's just crap everywhere from 1987 when this car was made. So yeah. Skylar's got to hit the road soon, but we got a lot done. We got a ton done. This looks awful with these wheels. Ugh, gross. But that's cool. Yeah, and as I was telling you guys, this is the worst spot on the car right here. I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Like I said, I'm not a body guy. I don't want to be a body guy, but I want to know how to do a lot of this stuff, and that's why I'm doing it. So I think between us and the people we know who do paint and body work, we'll be all right.
Yeah, we'll get it done.
Yep. You can point us in the right direction. Cool. All right, well, we're going to knock out these last couple things here, and I'm going to tackle the wires and the gauges and get all that stuff out. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys. It is 10:54 p.m. and I have spent nearly 2 hours just labeling this stuff. But we are close. We are ripping all this garbage out, and we are very close. I'm definitely gonna make some sort of switch panel. I had switches kind of in different spots, and I definitely realized I need a panel kind of like, not this exact one, but similar to this, something more, a little more subtle. And I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna put that yet, but we're not that far anyway. So, but yeah, we're getting there, guys. Everything else is pretty much gutted. So yeah, still got a vacuum, but I want to get this wiring stuff done first. So like I said, it's a little after 10, or what time did I say? I don't even know right now. We're gonna find out right now. 10:54. No, it's almost 11. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. So maybe I'll see you in about an hour, and hopefully this will all be done. All right, guys, 11:59 p.m. Check this out. Just got done vacuuming. Got all the wires out of the car. All that spaghetti mess is out. Vacuum back here. Still has to be cleaned up, obviously, but this car is gutted. Gutted. So, I'm honestly not that tired. I feel like I want to keep going on this car, but the next step, well, no, I gotta take the mirrors off and stuff, the headlights. I got some stuff I gotta do still. But one thing, this is the only set of my wires that I have no idea what I was doing when I started splicing in. All the other ones, it was a mess, but I know exactly, like I had everything routed exactly how I was supposed to. I knew where they were supposed to go. It's gonna take me a minute on that. I need to wait till tomorrow. Whoops, no handle. This is actually, I don't know. I feel like this is gonna be kind of a nightmare. So I'm probably gonna call my buddy Curtis tomorrow. See what he's got to say about this. But yeah, not bad for tonight. So a lot of grinding and stuff to do on the inside because I want to smooth out as much as I can because the whole inside of the car is going to be black. I'm not sure what I'm going to use for that. I don't know. Like I said, this is my first time doing any kind of paint and body work and like actually caring about it. So again, I'll probably pick Curtis's brain again on that. I was watching Cletus McFarland video on that El Camino. The interior of that, it looks like it's all rhino line, but it looks so good. It's like, it's not smooth, like it's rough, but it's clean. It's all like flat and it's awesome. It looks good. We were watching that earlier, and I want that same look in this car, and same for the engine bay. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I'm still deciding if I want to go inside or not. I kind of want to keep working, but I'm at a good point to stop, so I might just go inside. But that's it for this. It's the way this car was a few days ago. It's a big difference. Kind of scary in a way. Yeah, that trans came out excellent. Oh yeah. Gosh, I wish I would have known about the oven stuff a long time ago. I'm sure a lot of you guys are like, yeah, you idiot. Why didn't you use that from day one? I didn't know. So, but anyways, I'll stop rambling this midnight, and we'll catch you guys later in the next video.